Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 67 Mustang. So my personal favorite era for Mustangs, and I really want to see how this one looks in hand. Again, I really want to see if this is a pure black or this greenish black, or I mean blackish green, just like it was in the BMW. So okay, so let's start with this. So I bought it for 117, which is the MRP. So yeah, so this comes under Muscle Mania series, obviously. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, this casting feels kind of heavy, but I really want to take it out of the pack and see how this one actually looks and feels. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, I mean outright you can see scratches here. Okay, they did two kind of paint job here. One is the glossy black here, and one is kind of this uh, I mean matte with this glossy edges here on the hood. So the casting feels a bit heavy, but there are some scratches on the windshield here, but it does have some good interior detailing to it, which is really nice. So this rims matches this car actually. So okay, let's see. Okay, it has headlight wheels. I mean they embossed it out, but they didn't paint or do anything there. Okay, let's go to the rear. No details at all. I mean here also they just and engraved it, but there are no details here. There are no paint here. They could have just at least went with orange or white color here for on both sides, just to show us that there are headlights and taillights. Because it is pure black, even if you take photo, either the camera is going to overexpose the image, or I mean it is not definitely going to show this headlight details and all, since it's pure black. Okay, you can see the logo here. I mean it is honestly they messed up the paint job in all possible ways. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has awesome detailing to it. I really love this one. So I do have, I think, the 67 Mustang by Hot Wheels. I mean the older ones, I think I bought it during 2016, around the time I did show that during that first collection tour. I mean the part one of the collection tour. So if you missed it, just go ahead and see that, guys. You can just search for collection tour, you will get it. So apart from that, okay, let's weigh this casting. It does feel really heavy, maybe around 40 grams. Okay, 37, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that's good. I don't see any wheel wobble. Okay, that is really nice. It does roll really, really well. So I'm happy on that aspect. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So outright I'm reducing 1 because of the paint job messier, and 1 I'm reducing for the headlight and tail light details, because at least if they painted the headlight, that would have looked really beautiful, because it's a full black casting. If they given even if it is not white, at least if they went with the orange, or orange would be good, I guess, but it is not practical. But maybe white would be good because it's pure black. The Ford logo is in white. If they given white paint job for headlights, that would look really nice, because everything else is white here. So I'm reducing 2 out of 10, so 8 for this casting. So okay, so to whom I'm suggesting this casting, if you are a Ford or if you are a muscle car fan, this is for you. And if you want more, if you want detailing, and I mean how I can say, at least uh, for what you are paying, if you are looking for that much of details in this casting, it is not there. So for those people who are looking specifically for this detailing, I would not suggest right out of the box, because you need to add these details by yourself. I mean, I'm not paying for that, right? I'm paying for, they need to do that. If I want to paint everything myself, why I need to buy it from them? I would, do it. I would do everything myself, right? I would buy a 3D printer, I will print it myself. But that's not what I'm paying for. I want them to do it because I'm paying for that. So at least they could have gone with headlight details. They didn't do that. So okay. So with that said, yeah. So this is for the muscle car collectors or Ford collectors, and I mean, but if you are not able to get money, or if you're depending on some others for money, don't go for the hype. So go for what you like. That's all I can say. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.